So what is marketing automation? Let's understand with few examples. Suppose I am an e-commerce company. I sell fashion online. I sell jeans, pants, t-shirts. So my basic problem is that whenever I'm running my ad and I'm running my ad on Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube, on Google, and if I'm getting new interests on my website, if I'm getting new interest on my website, for example, in a form of new sign up, then I have to greet that new sign up. I have to send a welcome email to that new sign up which I got. And I also have to feature some important categories, some important products which a new sign up should try. So my problem is whenever I receive a new sign up on my platform via any source, how I can send a welcome email, a welcome push notification if I own an app, or a welcome SMS or a welcome WhatsApp message. I should, my concern is that not only I want to welcome them, I want to feature more and more products which my new sign up should try. And to motivate to try those featured products, I have to send them a coupon code of first sign up privilege. I want to send them 15%, 20% off coupon for their first sign up, which they can utilize to purchase the featured category products and enjoy 20 or 15% off based on the coupon I want them to send. So this is my basic problem, that I have to establish a customer dialogue and then I have to get revenue from that customer as well. So my problem is that whenever I'm getting a new customer, I have to make them aware about the featured categories, as well as I have to insist them to purchase products and services leveraging 15 or 20% discount coupon as their first sign up privilege. So I will go and I will design a marketing automation journey. A journey is a customer life cycle. You can say whenever somebody is signing up new on my website, I have to define a life cycle for new signups. That whenever I'm getting a new sign up, I have to send them a welcome email, a note about our company from the CEO, from the sales head, and I have to highlight some featured products and categories which our customers should know. And then I have to send them a follow up email and insist those new signups to enjoy or to enroll their privilege of getting 15 or 20% discount on their first purchase. And then if they have not utilized that 15 or 20% discount coupon which I sent in my last communication, I have to send them a reminder email to use that coupon code which I sent, so that they can purchase products from our website so that I get revenue. So I will create a multi-step journey within the Salesforce Marketing Cloud where I have to read new signups. The journey will trigger whenever a new sign up happened on my website. That new sign up will get a personalized email. In that, I will highlight his first name, last name, and other information which I got from the sign up form. And then I will highlight few important categories which I want to showcase to all the new signups, along with a note from our CEO or sales head. Then in the same multi-step journey, the second step, the second email which I am going to send should be after 1 day or 24 hours, where I have to introduce new sign up privilege with that customer. I have to introduce that as you have signed up new, you are entitled to purchase special category products from our previous email with 15 or 20% discount coupon. Here is the discount coupon. And then if that person has not utilized that discount coupon for next 48 hours, then I have to send a reminder communication that your coupon is still pending. Please go and utilize on the special category products which you saw in our previous email. If you don't act in next 28 hours or 48 hours, the coupon is going to expire. So I have to, you know, provide some sense of urgency to our customers as well, so that I can get revenue. So a basic problem to greet customer, to establish a proper customer dialogue, and to get a basic revenue from that customer, I designed a three-step journey, which is a data-driven decision-based journey. That whenever a new sign-up data is coming, it is sending a personalized email, and then it is waiting for 24 hours and then sending new sign up privilege email with 15 or 20% discount, and then we have to wait for next 48 hours and check if that coupon is utilized or not. If it is not utilized, then journey should take decision to send a follow up reminder email to increase the sense of urgency within customer's mind, so that he can go and use that coupon code to make a purchase. So this is a multi-step journey which is solving a basic customer dialogue problem and basic revenue acquisition problem of an e-commerce brand. Whenever a new sign up happens, this multi-step journey would be sent to all the new sign-ups, and it might benefit towards revenue acquisition for that particular company. Instead of sending no communications, designing this three-step journey will benefit that e-commerce company a lot, where that company can establish proper customer dialogue, send relevant information, coupons, and encourage customers to make their first purchase. And then if suppose customer has made their first purchase, then I have another marketing problem. The marketing problem is that whenever somebody has made a purchase, I have to gather feedback from that customer. I cannot call that customer every time. Suppose I am Amazon, I am a big e-commerce company, billions of customer base. I'm having billions of customer base. It is nearly impossible for me to call everybody. So I have to gather product feedback so that I can improve upon my service, my product qualities, and all. So it's another marketing automation problem which I am facing, which I will again solve with the help of journey, where I will design a two-step journey, post-purchase journey, where I am going to send a product invoice after every purchase that customer has made. Once I send the product invoice, I will send a follow-up email. In that email, I will design a feedback form which can be embedded within that email, or I can provide a link of the cloud page which a customer can click, land to a survey form, and can fill some basic questionnaires about the products and service experience he got and some scope of improvement. So designing multi-step marketing automation journeys is helping me solve two basic problems. The first problem is to establish proper customer dialogue and insist new customers to go and purchase a product or service. And if somebody has purchased a product or service, how I can gather product feedbacks automatically. So these journeys enroll various communication channels like email, SMS, push notification, WhatsApp. You can enroll in any of these channels or all of these channels using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and build effective data driven decision based customer journeys, which once configured will do everything automatically. That means you are empowering a system to take decisions and take next best actions automatically. That is all about marketing automation.